What if you could build a complete, functional, sellable website without hiring a developer, without touching a single line of code, and without using some ugly drag-and-drop toy that looks like every other site online? What if, instead of wasting hours staring at a blank builder, you could just speak? Build me a landing page for a fitness coach, add a booking form, testimonials, and a bold design. And within 12 seconds, you're staring at a fully built website, written, designed, structured, and already ready to sell for $299, $499, or more. Sounds crazy? It's not. Hey, my name is Seun, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Genio. Genio is the world's first AI agent that turns your voice into fully functional websites and web apps instantly. Not templates, not demos, not wireframes. We're talking clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, live preview, built-in copy, mobile responsiveness, real-time export. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner, a full-time freelancer, or someone who's never even heard the word HTML. You just speak, and Genio thinks like a developer, writes like a copywriter, designs like a pro, and builds the entire project right in front of your eyes. What used to take $1,000 and 10 days from a dev team now takes 12 seconds. If you've ever dreamed of starting a business, if you've ever wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start, if you've ever looked at a blank screen and felt overwhelmed, this changes everything. With Genio, you don't need skills, you don't need ideas, you don't even need time. All you need is your voice. You could be a student looking to make your first $500 online, a stay-at-home parent trying to launch a small side hustle, a coach, a consultant, a freelancer, an agency owner, anyone with a dream. Genio gives you the execution power you never had before. You speak, and Genio builds the asset. You download it, flip it, sell it, rent it, use it, repeat. Imagine creating 3 websites in an afternoon. All unique, all responsive, all written and designed for you. You list them on Flippa or Fiverr, and they sell for $200 to $500 each. You didn't touch a line of code. You didn't stare at Canva. You didn't drag a single block. You spoke, and Genio did the rest. You've just turned your voice into a digital asset factory, a real business, a real skill, a real income. And what's even crazier, you can use Genio for anything. Build a personal brand site, launch a SaaS MVP, generate a landing page for a new product, create an entire quiz app, calculator, or portfolio from scratch, or just fulfill freelance orders faster than anyone else on the planet. There are no limits, no caps, and no monthly fees. You get commercial rights, you keep 100% of the profit. Everything you build is yours. Here's the truth. This moment right here, this click, could be the start of something real. It could be the first time you launch, the first time you sell, the first time you stop dreaming and start executing. Or you could scroll away, you could say, maybe later, and a week from now, nothing will have changed. You'll still be wondering where to start, still staring at builder tools, still wasting time. But right now, you've got an AI agent that can build the entire thing for you in seconds, with your voice, and without a single line of code. This is your shot. And to make it completely risk-free, we're giving you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try Genio. Build with it. Flip your first website. And if you're not blown away, you don't pay a dime. But if you are, you'll have the one tool that builds you unlimited sellable websites forever. So don't overthink it. Don't wait. Don't miss it. Click the button below. Activate Genio. Say your first idea. Watch it build and start making something real today.